the drama of Kwamwon and the wife today. I'm talking about it because it's relationship issue. And because it concerns us women. Okay? That is why I'm treating the topic. So today we saw Kwamwon. The mother passed away. And today is the burial. They are still going to do the real party proper. Okay? Alafia ni gbogbo ile wa. Thank you, Angela. So they're still going to do the party proper. Whether the drama will go see for party proper. Only they say as Sunday go be. Now from Saturday we go know. So at the burial, now so we begin see drama, different drama. Two of them, we know Kwamwon has 2 wives, at least. One is living with him, which is Emanuela. We all know, we are Nigerians, so we know. There is no need going back and forth. Me is Hilary TikTok. So, Emanuela is the one living with him. Is the last wife he got married to. And when he got married to the woman, we hope, say, this will not be this will be the last wife. Because we all know Wasiu, Kwamwon. Baby mi show color, kajo ma rocky. Baby mi show color, kajo ma rocky. Ajo ma lugba yipe o. We are all familiar with his song. Bobo no go die unless to ba darugbo. Bobo. Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. Bobo no go die unless to ba darugbo. Bobo. Fola Naija shalafia ni. Anyway, he married a new wife like 3 years ago. Yes, ke. Before he married that wife, Emanuela, Titi Masha, Fetia, Ayami Fatia, Alalubarika, Ayami Fatia, Alalubarika. Somebody say how many wives? Why see you get plenty wives, but the existing one, we have 2. Where they bring face out now, and still associate with him publicly. Those that is Emanuela and Titi Masha. Now Titi Masha, Fetia is sing for. Titi Masha is always going to party with him. I DBC Wolomo. And you know, Lema Sowo studio. He's always going to party with him when the going was good. He married Titi Masha legally. Then do registry. Before Titi Masha, he don't get many wives. Like Jamila, like Wendy. Eba mi lulu Wendy o, le wande o. Ganga, genge. Lulu Wendy, ye wande o. Wendy dead here. He sing for Wendy. He sing another one. Sikira to Sikira. Sikiru Sikira. That is another one. He sing for another woman. The names of Wasiu wives. Make I no forget. As I dey talk, I no can remember them again. Beti ebanjale, marole, okolon peri aya o, mi o pe ko ku, mi o pe ko ru o, abi mole. Say, Emanuela, he dey check one phone. He put camera for us, whether not lie, whether not true, we no know. People think say, me I no wish them evil. But a lot of people think say that way that marriage will break. The marriage no break, they still dey together. As the man, even during Emanuela's birthday, on the 1st of January, I suspected something was going on. You know why? I say, Wasiu, he don't embrace Fetia back. But I no post the thing, but I saw it. Wasiu did not celebrate. Somebody said, have you seen any big Nigerian Fuji musician that married 1 wife? Yes. This guy is married to 1 wife. Obesere is married to 1 wife. Ilorúkọ boy, Bonsue Fuji. Adewale Ayuba is married to 1 wife. Okay? No be all of them get plenty wives. At least I know of those 2. So, during Emanuela's birthday, I noticed Wasiu did not celebrate her on his page. I said, what in the shele? Why is he not celebrating this lady? But he did a song for her that she posted on her page. Whether an old song, whether a new song, I don't know. She shall post it with the song. She celebrated herself. And I went back. I said, something is going on. Something is going on. Anyway, now today, we can't confirm, say, something is actually going on. We thought that Fetia don't move on. Because there was a day she was showing 1 man. She not show the face of the man. She covered the face. So we thought, Abi, this lady don't move on, you know. But today we found out that he has not moved on. Somebody said, hey, I like her. Those are the Fuji music I listen to. I don't listen to basically like that. I listen to Kwamwon, Barista. Those are my two favorite Fuji music. Adewale Ayuba is one of my favorite, but he's on the third list. Obesere, I don't. There are so many of them, I don't really listen to their music. Okay. So now, so we can't begin see video surfacing. A lot of people are blaming Kwamwon's leg, and people are abusing her. Any ring. No, now both of them still something. Emmanuela ori nkan Fetia ori nkan. Now the two of them ring nkan. Now the two of them ring nkan. Let me go to the video. Make you look the video before we begin talk. People are blaming Emmanuela because she was sitting down on Kwamwon's leg. Make me come look this video, so can you see? This is Emmanuela. This is Fetia by the side. They watch the drama. They watch, oh. They want to enter car here. They want to enter car here. You will see Fetia sitting in the front. Emma Wu. You say don't mind Emmanuela. Why? Why can you come and mind Emmanuela? Is she not the wife? She can't share Yahweh. Yahweh now. Why is everybody blaming that lady? You know me. If first wife would do good well, I go talk. If second wife would do well, I go talk. We are not related to any of this, but let's be objective. She's the wife of Kwamwon. She's the one in the house. If you like, say she's doing too much. You say she's doing too much. So here, watch another video. Watch this video. Watch another video. Watch this video. Kwamwon is crying here. You all know that he's very close to the mother. Okay, so it's expected. The mother is old, but he's very close to the mother. He is crying here. Watch. Watch what Titi is doing here. Titi ati manu loju. Now for one prick. When he said all for one prick, yes now. See Titi now. You see her? Shetiri. Mawa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Shetiri. If you could, where I was watching that video, there was another place I was watching the video very well. While Emmanuel and Titi was trying to clean the face, Wasiu was moving her hand back. Ẹni sùúrù. Oguni, Àjàdí Ọlájùmọ̀kẹ́, ẹni tó lọ nu ojú ẹ̀ ńkọ́, kí ló kàn láti nu ojú. This is somebody, ẹni sùúrù, ṣé rí àwa obìnrin, ẹni sùúrù, àwa obìnrin la máa ń fún ọkùnrin ní ààyè. We are the one that give men the chance to treat us like rag. This is the same man. When Titi Marshal lost her father or somebody, I can't remember now, they were doing burial. Kwamwon was there. He went for that burial. They now said, this Titi Marshal was now trying to get close to Wasiu. Kwamwon. When I say Wasiu, it is Kwamwon. That was after he married Emmanuela. She was trying to get close to Wasiu. That is Titi. Wasiu now tried to move away. There was now one old woman that said, oh, so because in your Obimo, somebody said she had 3 children for him now. Okay, Wasiu knew that knows that this lady has 3 children for him. Why did he leave her? Edaun. Why can't Wasiu think of the children when he went to marry Emmanuela? So because somebody has a child, it means that man loves you. Abi? So anyway, don't let's get distracted. So it was at that party that they were having for Titi's daddy. There was this now elderly woman that said, Firewear Mora now. Move your women, you will move your wife close. After all, she has a child she has children for you. This man did not embrace her. This woman refused to embrace her. The kind public embarrassment. Abba. God bless you, Olori. I said before the women know, they will start behaving like somebody that is coin. They will need competition publicly. For a man that has once displayed, for a man that has once embarrassed you publicly. Totally embarrassed them publicly. Number one, are you going to tell me you still love him? Handkerchief. She started cleaning the face. So what has this lady done? Too bad. Feti Emanuela. After all, there is nothing in a JJ. Emanuela, sit down. Wait, Titi Marshal say he won't marry him. Now JJ Emanuela, sit down. Where Kwamwon say he want to marry Kwamwon. Emanuela, Kwamwon no say Titi Marshal has 3 children for him. And despite that, he went for another woman. Abba. So are you still telling me, oh, you love one? Look, when a man has many wives, that man does not love anybody. Stop deceiving yourself. A man with multiple wives does not love anyone. A man with multiple wives loves himself and himself alone. A man with multiple wives is looking out for himself, not for anybody. Eye tonranyi as women. A man that know you have, he knows that you have children for him. He's not even thinking of the children. And in the public, they were telling him, they said, embrace your wife now. After all, once you have to be introduced by somebody that should acknowledge you. Oti fail. Oh, fail as a person, come back. Once you have to be introduced to somebody that should acknowledge you, my mother. Right? It is my child that should tell people this is to my children. I hope you get it now. He did it for Emanuela. He did it for Titi. Emanuela was trying to kiss him. Now so the man carried eyes come out. Now lie, now juju Emanuela use for him. Now you follow Emanuela, go do the juju. Olukayo de Nue, you said you disagree. A man with multiple wives has a favorite among the wives. Okay, and it will keep changing. It will keep changing. Okay, now, you say a man with multiple wives know the favorite. Who is the favorite among the two? I'm waiting for your comments. Who is the favorite among the two? Both the legal wife, both the traditional wife. By the legal, by the traditional. As the traditional, as the legal, both of them are wives. Now tell me, between the two, who is his favorite? Because it's back to Titi Marshal. Wasiu ti gba Titi Marshal pada. That was why he did not celebrate Emanuela during her birthday. Who is the favorite? I'm waiting for your comments. Tani favorite nínú àwọn méjèèjì? God bless you, Samuel Ade. Samuel Ade said, does Kwamwon look like someone you feel you juju for? Our people with superstitious belief. Kwamwon gan fún rẹ̀ gudugudu tí ò túra lẹ̀. Wọ́n lò juju fún ní gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó yòókù lọ. Ní gbogbo àwọn tó ti lé lọ.
I just be, that's you matching with me.
Yes. Thank you, Angel. I love you.
Love you too. What?
Coffee.
Okay.
No, oatmeal.
Yeah, like why you drink? Did you drink that?
I did.
Okay. Do you want strawberries on it?
Oh, you bought?
Did buy?
Okay, yes. Instead of apple. That's fine. You can't say, oh, only him knows. Money Wasiu will love anybody. Wasiu does not love anybody. And you see those two women, a man deceive ara yín. Men, you can deceive yourselves. You see those two women, both of them, kò sí ìtò nífẹ̀ẹ́ Wasiu. Stop deceiving yourselves. They only love the fame that comes with his name. None of those two women love it. You know why? They are in severe pains. Those two women are in severe pains. And that is why you think by the time they start looking at what they are doing publicly, when they go back to their house, they will be happy. You think by the time they go back home, let me drink some water. They will be happy with themselves. They are not happy. Wasiu, thank you. Wasiu does not love anybody. By the time a man is going for second wife, third wife, he has fallen out of love with the wife to Fisile. By the time he goes for another one, he has fallen out of love from the one to Fisile. Hello? Embracing Titi back is for the children. Hello? It's not for love. And if you think Titi loves him, you are deceiving yourself. They don't love him, but they are just living by what is available. Women most times go for availability. Money availability. Availability. They are going for availability, not for love. And those of you that are castigating Emanuela, that Emanuela sat on his leg. Some people said it was Wasiu that drew him close. It says a lot. If clips Ilayiri, we don't know the drama that really went on. Go drama ton shame benye. Ibi tó ti jókòó sí lẹ́sẹ̀ lele. Mi ò mọ̀ gba ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Shoot, sorry. Okay, ibi tó ti ń kéyàn lele. Aunty Yemi say ẹ káàsán. Shetiri. Sherry Fetia. Ẹ rí wípé ibi tó ti nù lójú leleyi. After yẹn ni Wasiu fa Àjíkẹ́ mọ́ra. Àbí kí lorúkọ yẹn ń jẹ́? Ló fa mọ́ra ló ní kó wá jókòó. Wasiu is only looking out for himself. Somebody said, I disagree. Oni loves all his 6 wives. Really? 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 How do you know he loves you? Sherry, a máa ń tanra wa. Ẹ wá Àjíkẹ́ náà. Àjíkẹ́ náà ló ń jẹ́ kẹ́. Ó yá gbójú gbére. I am still the one living with him in the house. I am still the kine kan. Carry me. Lásán lọ́jọ́ ń ṣe. Èkó ń ṣe. One of them is doing, I am the mother of his children. The other one is doing, I'm the wife in the house. Ilé olórogún ọgbà wèrè. Èmi ò nílé olórogún báyìí o. But for where you are looking for where to see correct drama. Who is saying your daughter's voice is very sweet? Can we be friends? You live in Boston. With my daughter. Hey, baby. Only social media, let's if I toast our mommy. Don't distract me. Oh. Okay, she told Titi to sit on his legs too. Titi said it was fine. But yeah, Titi will wípé ara Titi ń gbóná ni. You cannot ask Àjíkẹ́ to sit. Me self come and sit. Òun ni Titi ò ṣe gbà. Àjíkẹ́ rọ́pò. They don't live together. Who? Koba Kinigbe is not living with Àjíkẹ́. Somebody said, I know because only 6 wives are always parading together. Lórí irọ́. Ẹ máa tanra yín. Ẹ máa tanra yín. Bẹ́ bá tanra yín tán kẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbọ́. She refused. Okay. Mi ò tí bí àmì orí yẹn. Or mi ò wo dáadáa débẹ̀. Bí àmì orí dáadáa débẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ àtúnwò. Yeah. Oh, love my man gone. He's so much in very close to the mom. I saw the one with car where Titi sat in the front. And you know what? Titi sitting in the front is the right thing.
Be like me so bad. She wore the same sweater I wore.
You said what? What did you just say now?
Look.
Come on. Ever do you know what Miss Wadis? Get out of here.
She want to be me so bad.
Oh, you want to be me? What kind of can I mean, can you see this, my daughter? Oh my God. You know what? Titi sitting inside in front of that car is the right thing. As long as the yale is still in the life of the man, when they want to sit, the yale is supposed to sit in the front and the wife will sit at the back. It is how it is done. I have not experienced Ile Olorogun. As in me carry myself enter Ile Olorogun, I said I will never do it. But I grew up in Ile Olorogun. So what do you mean I don't have experience? I grew up inside Ile Olorogun. And that was why I said, as a person, I will never do Orogun. If I should do it, maybe when my children were small, I said if I find myself there, I will be patient to take care of my children. Because I don't want to do, unfortunately, either I want to do it, I don't want to do it. I ended up taking care of my children alone. It wasn't what I planned. If not for children, me, I will not stay inside Ile Olorogun. You know what? There is nothing called love inside Ile Olorogun. You say you and I will do the same thing inside Ile Olorogun. That is for people who choose to be in Ile Olorogun. It is not everybody that wants to be inside Ile Olorogun. Is it everybody that wants to be inside the polygamy? Something I witnessed and I grew up with, that I saw the pros and cons. At the end of the day, it comes back to that man. Now that one I will consider and put. The women, they don't even love the men. Man, after some time. Now that one will come find myself inside. Look, my darling sister Mary Han, it is not every woman that wants to be inside Ile Olorogun. Not every woman. Why do you think some women say, since it has become Ile Olorogun, let me just go and leave you? I don't want to be inside this wahala. So all these things that you saw, you thought these women are doing it normally. You think they won't feel the pains of what they have done. You think they will not get home and start thinking. They will not get home and be depressed and sad. Abba. Okele gbigbe pẹ̀lú sùúrù. Ta ló sọ pé one man's house is ọgbà wèrè? In what way? Aunty Adunni. Báwo ni ilé one man's wife ṣe jẹ́ ọgbà wèrè? Maybe the one man's house tó yẹ pé tó bá ń jà, that the husband and wife are fighting and all that. And in competition, unhealthy competition. This is unhealthy competition for Gbola. This is nothing but unhealthy competition. Who wants to go through unhealthy competition? There is nothing healthy about this. Me. I don't know of others. Go and look at, there was this video of Okoya that had his birthday recently. As old as that first wife was, go and look at her countenance in that video. You tell me she's happy. Oh, Bakadara. Most people who stay in Ile Olorogun, they stay because of the whatever is on ground. Many stay because of what is on ground. That is why you will see a poor man. A poor man does not last with Ile Olorogun. To ba de stage kwa won yawo won man lọ. The only place you will see a woman tí wọ́n ní lọ is where there is correct money and fame. This one is for nothing but fame. Ask every woman if they can be sincere with themselves. If every woman can be sincere, let them put them in a place, in a private place. Every woman tó ń gbọ́ mi, àti tó wà nílé Olórogún ni o, àti tó dá wà ní. Either you are in Ile Olorogun or you are not in Ile Olorogun. Let them open your mind. Speak it out if you want to be truthful for yourself. You cannot tell me if you are given another opportunity, if you are given a chance to rewrite your story or to choose another life, that is what you will choose. Mi ò tí rí obìnrin yẹn, I dare that woman to come out and say, yes, I chose ilé orogún and I prefer ilé orogún. If they carry you, if they can open your mind, your heart, your inú gangan, tínú bá ṣe ṣí bí igbá. Ilé olórogún làwa ti jáde. We grew up there. We saw what was going on there. We witnessed a lot of things there. It is not a thing I prayed for myself. And I always say it. Brian, pretty, I just saw your message. I will attend to you when I'm done. I always say it. Ilé olórogún, mi ò lè báyàn ṣe. Mi ní kéèyàn má ṣe o. I am not saying people should not do it. But èmi, mi ò pray fún. The day I find myself there, ká ní mo ìlà àwọn ọmọ tán kéré, what I used to think in my mind, péjọ́ tí mo bá bára mi bẹ̀, ọjọ́ yẹn ni mo máa detach emotionally from that man. If I stay there to take care of my children, kó fi dàgbà, tó bá dẹ̀ ti dé stage kan máa kúrò. Kí ni mo fẹ́ jókòó ṣe ń bẹ̀? Kí ni èèyàn fẹ́ jókòó ṣe ń bẹ̀? Unhealthy competition. Very unhealthy. Are you telling me those women, wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn? Are you telling me those women, if they have a choice, they will not choose another path in life? Are you telling me those women, wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọkùnrin yẹn, with all they have gone through? Afọkùnrin tó bá ń deceive ara ẹ̀, there are some paths you will take a woman through. She doesn't love you anymore. She's clinging to you because she felt that is the only choice she has. She's clinging for a reason, not for love. Not for love anymore. And these people clinging to him are clinging to him because of the fame. Emanuela is staying put because of embarrassment. Ìtìjú. We all know how she was dragged on social media. She was dragged so much. Ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ Mercy ni. Bí Mercy ṣe wà yẹn, Mercy Aigbe, a lot of people are waiting for Mercy. Tí anything bá ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ́rẹ́, sí Mercy Aigbe, social media máa lana. So as she is, either she's happy, she's not happy, she will manage it. She will stay put. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ Mercy ni ọ̀rọ̀ Emanuela ṣe rí. It is a marriage of I must not leave. Either I'm happy or I'm not happy. We have seen several clips or videos where Emanuela was treated like a nobody by this same man. We have seen video where he was treated, Titi was treated like a nobody. And you think, gbogbo nǹkan tó go through, yeah? Mary Han. So is my mother dead? You said I cannot say of the experience. If I grow up there, it's my mom who can explain it. And I talk to my mom. I can call her now. My mother will say, let me call her. My mother will always say, ilé olórogún, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ káwọn àwọn ọmọdọ́mọ àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé olórogún. Till now. She found herself there and she's always saying pé nǹkan tó máa mú ọmọ àwọn jókòó sílé olórogún Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ káwọn rí. Ẹ jẹ́ n pé wọ́n tán bá wà online. Wọ́n máa kọ̀rọ̀ sọ pé mọ́mì, ọ̀rọ̀ ilé olórogún kí ni feeling yín sí ná? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́. Hopefully, I pray this thing is on. 11 ti lu Naija. Ẹ jẹ́ mọ àwòtán bá ti pa kíní wọn. Wọ́n ti pa data. Wọ́n ti sùn nìyẹn. Even she's not even the only one that I know. No, it's not even my own experience alone. I have a lot of people that we all grow up inside the Olorogun family. We have many during that our growing up. There were so many Ile Olorogun, many Ile Olorogun. Hardly will you see a family tí wọ́n ní Ile Olorogun. It's 11 p.m. Ó ti sùn. Wọ́n máa ń pẹ́ sùn gbà mí so wọ́n ti sùn. Bá gbé wọn pẹ́ gbọ́n nǹkan tó máa sọ. She always say pé Ile Olorogun. Àwọn gan-an jẹ́ kí mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní tó máa ń sọ pé ilé olórogún ọgbà wèrè. Ẹni tí ò bá ní wèrè lórí ò lè ṣe ilé olórogún. Wàá ní ète, wàá mọ́rọ́ pa, wàá mètè ṣe, wàá mọ àyíníke ṣe, àyíní padà. Wàá mọ kọ́lọ́fí oríṣiríṣi, wàá ní wickedness díẹ̀ gan nínú láti gbé ilé olórogún. or else there is a particular blogger tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ilé olórogún. You think she's lying? There was one of her posts I saw. Ó ní tó bá máa gbé ilé olórogún, ó gbọ́dọ̀ burú. You thought she was lying. Ó ló gbọ́dọ̀ ní ète lọ́wọ́. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní kinní kan. Ilé olórogún is not for somebody that is nice. Ilé olórogún is not for somebody that is doing jẹ́jẹ́, rìndìnrìndìn. Ilé olórogún is not for a woman. Tí ò lẹ́mìí. Before you can go into polygamy as a woman, I am not saying it is wrong. Because that is how a lot of women will become mothers. Take it or leave it. I am not saying it is wrong. Okay? But if you find yourself there, o ní láti ṣe kíni, ní skoin díẹ̀ lórí. O ní láti ní ète díẹ̀ to survive. Is the truth. Tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ pẹ́ síbẹ̀, wàá gba ìwọ̀sí oríṣiríṣi mọ́ra àti dọ̀tí. Kò sí ilé ọkọ tí ò sí o, kò sí ilé ọkọ tí ò sí wọ̀sí o, but àwọ̀sí yàtọ̀ sí wọ̀sí. The day you embrace another woman for your husband, that day, o ti di ẹni tó pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ lè ṣe anyhow. And that was why he was rubbishing her. Ó rubbish Títí, ó rubbish kí ló ń porúkọ ẹ̀, Emmanuela. Ilé olórogún. God bless you, Wálé Adéyẹyè. This is a man talking. Ilé olórogún ogun, ilé ogun. Ilé olórogún, ilé ogun. Competition gidi. Eré gidi. Wàhálà gidi. Now you are saying it's the same thing with the woman with the wife, the only wife. No, it's not the same thing. If Wasiu has just one wife, he doesn't have a lot of wives. This burial ceremony, the wife does not need to fight for his attention. All she needs to do is to stand by his side. There will not be all this competition going on. There will not be all this, it is me. They must see me. He clean his face. Of course, it's good to clean your husband's face as he's crying. Clean his face. And one is sitting on his leg. Another one wants to sit. Don't worry, I will sit. Another one is fighting for front. There will not be need for that. There will not be need. I know this and no peace. Men will not like me to say this. Men who go into polygamy, they go into polygamy because of their love, because they are selfish. When they say you are selfish, it doesn't mean you are a bad person. It means you are thinking of yourself. You are thinking of yourself. A man that goes into polygamy is thinking of himself. It is not thinking of any other person. You want to tell me somebody love you? Oh, lọ fẹ́ yàwó mi. Ó wá tún pè ẹ́ kó máa pàgbádà. No, he called you back. Òun tó ti lọ fẹ́ yàwó mi tó wá tún pè the other one to come back. He called that one back because he's having issues already. Ọkùnrin tó bá jẹ́ tí ń fẹ́ yàwó púpọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. Ó fẹ́ kìíní kò dáa. Ó fẹ́ kejì, not good. The third one, not good. The fourth one, not good. The fifth one, not good. The sixth one, not good. The seventh one, not good. The eighth one, not good. The ninth one, kó máa lọ. The 10th one. Ó ti ní issue pẹ̀lú 10th one. And because the word have said, gbọ́dọ̀ rí ẹ pẹ̀lú ìyàwó mọ́. Instead of leaving that word, ó wá lọ embrace yìí tó ti rubbish. Ó ní kó máa padà bọ̀. Ìyẹn náà padà. Mi ní bó ṣe padà ó dáa kò dáa o. Ọkọ ẹ̀ ní o, bàbá ọmú ẹ̀ ní. Kò dẹ̀ sọ́kọ́ ń ta. Ọkọ wọn lóde lọ́kọ̀lọ́ fi gbé gbogbo ẹ̀pọ̀n. It is not every woman that can stay alone without a man. It is not every woman that can stay without a man. That one self look say since I come once where I dey vex itself. I no see poron chop. Since I come once where I leave you. To talk to you know they easy. Make a kuku accept you back. You know they be making moves to reconcile them. One day reconcile one and she will be like make a kuku manage. Some people will have spoken that okay ya feel it. Okay ya fi segbe koko ya fi da gerewu. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni because ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin máa ń pàtàkì ara yín tó bá ti rí báyìí. You think the woman is embracing you back because she loves you. She's embracing you back because of you that gerewu ni. That gerewu is different from love. That gerewu is different from somebody that will cherish you in old age. That gerewu is like a furniture. Ẹ jẹ́ fi dá gerewu sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. Ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ wà ńbí. Ẹ jẹ́ fi dá go jẹ́ ya fi ilẹ̀ kó fi dá gerewu. Èjìká la máa ya yeru wọn. Èjìká náà fi irú wọn sí, not here. Torí òun ìkọ̀kọ̀ ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Which kind of love you want to profess to a man that you know this minute is with another woman sleeping? Kí ló tẹ̀yìn obìnrin ẹ̀ kí láti kéyọ̀ àmì ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ̀ kí fẹ́ gbóòótọ́. And I'm talking as a woman. Instead of you to listen and not deceive yourself, you are vexing. Because you thought carrying plenty women means that all of them love you. You are deceiving yourself. One fear that gerewu ni. Gerewu ni eh? If you don't know what is called gerewu, a toy. Somebody paying bills. Owulo fún school fees. But pay ìfẹ́ ni na lie. Na lie. Don't let women deceive you, say they love you, na lie. Hey, like come and so. Manage them. Make them stay here so that in old age, they will take care of you in old age. Community quarrel, you fall in love with. The only thing a woman fall in love with, where a woman will say, yes, I'm in love, is when she's in control. Not when the man has multiple women and you're now fighting for, the person that did not love the first wife, second wife, third wife, fourth wife, fifth wife, sixth wife, seventh wife, eighth wife, ninth wife, 10th wife, 11th wife, 20th wife. Father Abraham has many sons. Ṣé ìyẹn ni obìnrin wá nífẹ̀ẹ́? Ìyẹn ló nífẹ̀ẹ́ obìnrin. You are telling me Wasiu love Titi? Wasiu love Titi? Níbo ló ti love Titi? If he loves Titi, that particular day, they were telling him that Fayawo Emora, nobody needs to tell him. When a man does not love you enough, again, there are signs. Nobody needs to tell him, embrace Ìyàwó ẹni now, Famora. The same Ìyàwó Aya ni Fatia, Alalu Barika. She now suddenly become a woman. Bó ṣe kó wìrì yẹn mọ́lẹ̀ enjoy yẹn lélẹ̀ tán ní kó Famora. Ó fojú gbé bí ìgbà tó fojú sọnù dànù ni. Títí náà fi dá gẹrẹwu ni ẹyẹ tanra yín. Títí fi dá gẹrẹwu ni àgbà ló ń dà yẹn. Ó wá fetí wá pa. Ó wá rò wípé because òun àti Emmanuela they are having issues. Community prick dey vex for me. Ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin ní community something. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹ wá bá mi gbé nǹkan sẹ́nu. Mo mà yín lọ store. Ẹ má bínú ilẹ̀ tí ń ṣú. Ẹ jẹ́ n tanná. Wọ́n lẹ́yìn oní community something ẹ ń bínú sí mi. Ẹ má bínú. Tiyín náà ni mo kúnkún ṣe, honestly. Tiyín ni mo ń ṣe. Tiyín ni mo ń ṣe náà yẹn kó sí mi lójú. Ṣé tí n bá panu ẹ̀yin rí mi? Bóyá torí mo sáré tàn, ó ń kó sí mi lójú. Can you still see me very well? Ẹ wá lọ wo competition. Somebody now tell me. Imagine at a certain age. Ẹ lọ wo Ìyàwó Ọkọya. The first wife. And woman máa ń ṣe mí ní last birthday tán ṣe yo. And it's always the same way, or every year. The woman on that day, go and see the way she was looking. Oh, somebody said, I have seen many cases where, hold on. God bless you. Somebody said, if I am Titi with all the public embarrassment, I will not go back. Not as if she's not doing good. God bless you. Kí ló padà lọ ṣe ńbẹ̀? Kí ló padà lọ ṣe? Kí ló fi síbẹ̀ tó gbàgbé? Ṣé bóun ló gbà tó fẹ́ yàwó? Why did she leave in the first place when the man married another wife? She should have just stayed put. She left. The man embarrassed you everywhere with all your money. With all the money you have. She's doing very well. Go and ask how much she sells her gele. Ordinary gele. Go and ask how much each one of her gele is. Wọ́n wá fojú ẹ̀, wọ́n lọ fojú ẹ̀ rí rádaràda. Oh, rárá dúró, kò lọ nípò. If I were Titi, yes, he's the father of my children. If I were Titi, you know what I would do? I would go with my own car. Respect myself. What competition wo ló lọ ń ṣe ńbẹ̀ yẹn? She doesn't need it. Òun lọ̀rọ̀ mi di ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jù mí fún jù. Why did she have to do this? Why? She doesn't need this. Oh yeah, jẹ́ kí n ṣe cutting sẹ́yìn. You know, but why? Why is she embarrassing herself this way? Why? Go, káwọn ọmọ ẹ lọ, dúró sípò ọ̀wọ̀. She never left, but the man has embarrassed her so many times. Okay, ṣé lè tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Nǹkan ayọ̀ ni. The way she was embarrassed, or both of them are embarrassing themselves. Àtòun o, àti Emmanuela ni o. Now, even if she goes back, láti lọ padà, kókó ó fẹ́ padà. Irú nǹkan báyìí dẹ̀ wá now happened. As she's going for that program, if I were her, she has the money. I will go, carry one escort, join body, and I will put my sunshade. Mo jẹ́rìí ara mi. I will put my sunshade and stay at a distance. Alhaji ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ rọra sà. And I will greet people. But to now move close, and be doing unhealthy competition. Call them Noju, fight for seats, fight for this one. Yes, I'm still your wife. Boy, ipò ọ̀wọ̀ yẹn, màá dúró síbẹ̀. That ipò ọ̀wọ̀. Public embarrassment lele, public shame lele now. Lórí kíni àti kíni. Even if that man is not paying her school fees, her children's school fees, she can comfortably pay the children's school fees. Ambele tasi. Agbumi o mọ̀ bóyá òótọ́ ni o, bá ṣe gbọ́ allegedly, as we were told. Wọ́n ní ìgbà kan, Kwam1 is very good nípa kíní tá ń sọ yìí. He has gone through surgery bí ẹ̀mélòó. Ẹ̀mí ò lè gbé nǹkan púpọ̀ mọ́ bó ṣe wà yẹn. Tí ò bá ń ṣe pé bóyá sometimes women they know they value themselves too. Ipò ọ̀wọ̀ number one now. Ipò ẹ̀yẹ number ẹ̀yẹ. Kaniwa, in fact, assuming Fetia, as she went for that program, ó fún wọn ní bàbá sunshade tó bad. Fún wọn ní white lace. Ẹ wọ aṣọ tó wọ̀ gan pàápàá. Aṣọ tó máa ń wọ̀ nínú shop. Ara àwọn shop tó aṣọ tó wọ̀ nínú shop ló wọ̀ lọ. Fún wọn ní bàbá white lace. You are the one selling clothes. Màá fún wọn ní bàbá white lace. Mo wà ńbẹ̀, I'm still there. I'm representing my children because it's compulsory she has to be there. I'm representing my children, but I will stay in that place of honor. I won't be fighting for his attention with that woman. She doesn't need it. I feel more embarrassed for her than Kinon Porukwe, than Emanuela. I feel more embarrassed for her. Because it is because of her. It is because of this same Emanuela. Ni Titi Wasiu to fi embarrass her several times. It is because of this Emanuela. He has embarrassed you several times in the eyes of the world. So what competition are you fighting for? What competition? What attention? Public attention. Knowing the other woman is there. Knowing the other woman too. Ola lo money. So our méjèèjì, they are both the person that the people that Ebenezer Obey is singing for. And they are not the only ones. There are still other women. Don't be more for Wasiu. Those ones might not be there. Somebody said, I think she mean Manuela. She embarrassed herself. Either she mean Emanuela, she doesn't mean Emanuela, she has embarrassed herself. Somebody has humiliated you several times on social media, publicly. Though both of them, no, embarrassed though. It's both of them. But some, we give men, we are the one that give men the mantle, the power to treat us as they want. We ask them to treat us as trash, and they do. And that's why an average Nigerian man does not value Nigerian women. They don't. They don't value us because we don't allow them to value us. We don't allow them to value us. If Titi Marshal, bó ṣe wà yẹn tó bá rìn ní pọ̀wọ̀, ní party tó lọ yẹn, it won't cost her anything. It won't take anything from her, other than it will even give her more honor. But people will look at her and say, I love the way she respects herself. Let Emanuela be fighting for her attention the way she has been doing. She doesn't need it. More like, because I don't want more like Titi. Emanuela will share me, oh. You understand? But I just love her. And I'm not interested in whether she was a niece to somebody or whatever. Ọkùnrin, the way the men will talk into your brain, sometimes you will fall yakata. So I'm not really embarrassed. I'm not really blaming her so much. But ìwọ tó lọ́n ti gbé sípò ọ̀wọ̀ ní gbogbo nǹkan tó fi ń ṣe ọ̀wọ̀ ló ní lọ́wọ́. Ìjà wọn yẹn máa serious. Anyway, we are looking forward to the... I ask you people to remind me that somebody should be my timekeeper. That once it's 5:15, kẹ́ sọ fún mi, they sọ fún mi. This is almost 5:30. Nice. Why? I said you guys should tell me once it's 5:15. They saw. This is almost 5:30. Don't get me wrong, go. I am not saying don't do polygamy. Don't get me wrong. I am not saying don't do polygamy. I am not saying the way you do it is not your problem. But when we see something that comes on social media, it is our job. Iṣẹ́ tá ti gbà ni to analyze and ask some questions. That why? What is the need for the competition? What is the essence? You don't need competition to shine. You don't need competition to make a mark. You don't need competition to show. You don't need competition to be accepted. Somebody that wants to accept you and respect you will accept you and respect you. Somebody that wants to disrespect you will disrespect you. And once somebody has disrespected you, why can't you just respect yourself? Okay, you did, Jolapo. I didn't see it. Thank you. Somebody has disrespected you. You respect yourself. Ati titi ni o. Ati iki lorúkọ Àjìnwó àbí kí lorúkọ yẹn? Àjíkẹ́. Is it Àjíkẹ́ àbí? Inú both of them. No, respect ara wọn. Now their competition that they have done, will it stop that man from going? Okay, Emmanuela she competition. Titi show competition. Will it now stop Kwamwon from benching the two of them? The competition they have done. Mo bere ni o. Will it make Kwamwon to leave one for the other? Kwamwon at this point is playing games. You know why? Kwamwon we pay is getting older. And it will be a shame again for him to say he wants to marry another woman. He now embraced the two of them. If this one should leave, the other one will still be there for me in old age. And honestly, he has a right to that. But I just pray for him that the game is playing. Game ti Wasiu playing. I pray this game is playing will not boomerang on top of his head. The game is playing. This game of making these women be doing competition and be he might end up living alone in old age. Of course, he will have cook, he will have this, he will have that. Amendments to ye ko make here. Oyin Jackie, people that are of the same age, come and forward ori gbara won. Come and for ara won gbara won. Are you telling me those two women like themselves or they love what is going on? I hope Wasiu will do the needful. Ko kilo fún àwọn méjèèjì for his own good. For his own good. Polygamy is not for a man that does not have wisdom. A man that wants to do polygamy must be very, very full of wisdom. And that wisdom is letting those women, once you have 2-3 women, none of those 3 women should lay claim to you in public. When you are with them in the bedroom, they can lay claim to you. Olowo ori mi, ọkọ mi, ale mi, kini kan mi. Let them do it. But once you are now public, that all of them are following you. All this nonsense is not necessary now. L'ọmọdún mélòó? Ní ọmọdún mélòó? At what age? Làwọn obìnrin ń jà lé lórí publicly. At what age? And you tell me those women are happy fighting over him. Anyway, the way things are going, I will not be surprised. Tó bá tún fẹ́ yàwó mi. Because already, ẹjọ́ lẹ́ni, ẹjọ́ lọ́la, it shows that their house is not peaceful. What we saw today, it shows that is home. Inú ilé ò wà peaceful. Tí ilé ẹ̀ bá wà peaceful, what we saw today will not surface online. He's not man enough to handle them. He's not handling them well at all. And remember, they are of the same age, close in age. Kì í ṣe pé kan kéré tí ò lọ́gbọ́n. Both of them are wise. Both of them are street women. Both of them are society women. And you think the embarrassment they are going through, they are clapping for him. Ìgbẹ̀yìn ló ń dolóko àdá. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa wá lọ. Ìgbẹ̀yìn ló ń dolóko àdá. Wasiu may still marry tomorrow. He has the money. He may marry another small girl like Shadi Okoya and Baba Okoya. At the end of the day, he has the money anyway. He has the money to marry another wife. So he might end up marrying another wife. So let's be expecting another wife because from what I have seen, I'm not sure he's even enjoying his life. All those drama they put up yet this today was nonsense. Wọ́n ní ìdí àwọn méjèèjì ò ní ìdí. Àti títí ni o, àti tó jókòó sẹ́sẹ̀ public ni o, àwọn méjèèjì ò ní ìdí. Kò fún wọn ní ọ̀wọ̀. Okay, you know your wives are close by. Ẹ tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ká gbàgbé competition yẹn. Somebody that has 2 wives, you took both of them to party. Àbí ẹ jọ lọ fún nǹkan program. As they are providing chair for you, èyí tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n value àwọn ìyàwó yẹn ni, they are supposed to provide chairs for those women too. Àbí mo ṣì sọ. instead of now looking for where to sit. Bó ṣe gbé àwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀ is the way the boys àbáwọn tó ń provide the chair fún ṣe provide náà ṣe gbé wọn. And that was why he wanted to sit. He saw they gave him seat to sit. The women are standing. Ta ló yẹ kó jókòó? Ta ló yẹ kó jókòó? Kò sí chair fáwọn ìyàwó. Òun jókòó, ó yẹ kí chair wà fáwọn ìyàwó yẹn náà. It will now be like, oh yeah, wá jókòó sẹ́sẹ̀ mi, come and sit on my leg. Come and sit on my leg. Where is the respect for those women? Even from his boys. Where's the respect? Bó ṣe gbé wọn. And that is why, you see, ṣé àwọn obìnrin tó máa ń ti torí owó fẹ́ ọkùnrin, ojú wọn rí o. Ìwọ̀sí tí ojú wọn rí ló ń lọ wájú yẹn tán lè sọ. Especially if the man knows that you are marrying him because of money. Or his own case is more of his fame. Wasiu feels without any woman will answer him. And that is why tó fi ń ṣe àwọn obìnrin yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. And unfortunately, not every woman can go through this kind of a thing. Ẹ wá ń tira yín mọ́ lọ́rùn. Ẹ ń tira yín mọ́ lọ́rùn. Kò sí pé kán lọ gbé chair wá fáwọn obìnrin yẹn. He's now saying, come and sit on my legs. Bring their chair. Chair mẹ́ta no ma provide for you and those two women. Ìkan lọ́tún, ìkan lósì. Àyè gbà ni. And that's why you have two of them beside you. Which is okay. Ọba ni ẹ́. Adé orí ọ̀kín. One will sit by the right, the other one will sit by the left. And they sit by, one surround there. Ó wá jókòó, wọ́n ṣe wá wá bí tán máa jókòó sí. Ó wá ní kán wá jókòó sí ẹsẹ̀. It's because of what they are gaining too. I am K1's wife. Ìyàwó K1. Ìyàwó K1 nínú sadness. Ọlọ́run á bá yín ṣe o. Ọlọ́run á bá yín ranjú ẹ̀ lórí owó àti fame. Suffering and smiling. Obìnrin mi kan like wàhálà fún ayé ẹ̀ṣà. Èyí tí bí ó láwọn ọmọ tó bí síbẹ̀. Pé ó jẹ́ ráyè tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n dáadáa báyìí. Ṣó ráyè fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ látẹ̀ńṣọ̀n. Ìyẹn èyí tí ò bímọ fún Wasiu. Tó fẹ́ kú lórí Wasiu. Ìyẹn Manuela o. Ìyẹn Manuela. Olóńbẹ́ ni tó bímọ fún ọkùnrin jà. Ó mọ̀ pé òun ni ló ní last year. Ọjọ́ tí Wasiu bá gbẹ́mìí mi ló máa tó mọ̀. The day Wasiu would breathe his last. Manuela ló máa mọ̀ wípé ò mean anything. Oh, mean anything inside that house. Stop deceiving yourself. All the other women that has children for him, they are there. The one that has children, tó ṣí bakery fún, ó wà ńbẹ̀, ó lọ bá ṣe competition. You are doing competition with somebody that has 3 children for the man. Oh, lè bí kankan mọ́. Ó wá rò pé ó máa ní power jù lọ, ó máa ní hold. You can't even stop her from coming to see him. You can't even stop him from coming to see him. I mean, stop her from coming to see him. You can't even stop Fetia from having something to do with Wasiu. Emmanuela kan fool ara ẹni. I'm telling you, you don't have a child for that man. And he still have those women, that woman in his life. Ó wá ń jẹ́ kí Wasiu máa fi ẹ́ ṣe ping pong. Hey, àmàní yẹ̀yẹ́. Where are all your other children? You abandoned them. Sean, are you still having time for those other children that you have before Wasiu? And you don't have not a single one for Wasiu. And I'm sure Wasiu did not want you to have children for him. Ogbon. Kò fẹ́ kó bímọ fóun. Ogbon. Ó wá fẹ́ bá. You now want to drag with somebody that has 3 children. You want to drag with somebody that has 3 children for a man. You are deceiving yourself, Emmanuela. You are deceiving yourself. In that house, Fetia has more stronghold in that house than you. Because I know Wasiu will not be stupid to do will and put your name there. Wasiu will not be stupid and write your name in his will. That's Wasiu that I'm seeing. Kò lè kọ will kó forúkọ ẹ sí. Orúkọ àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa fi sí bó ṣe wà yẹn. Orúkọ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ ló máa kọ sí will ẹ̀. Okay, Tutuola Ahmed. I will respond to your comments, Mutiri. Come to my messenger so I can give you inside messenger. You know, in all of this, it is Emmanuela that I feel more for. Because all this embarrassment you are putting yourself through. all this dragging, all this competition on LD. Competition is good, but when it becomes on LD competition, you are putting yourself through. For a man to get pé kò run ẹ, Wasiu ò run ẹ, kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ yẹn now. Wasiu ara ẹ̀ ló wà after. Is more for himself. You now think àwọn obìnrin jẹ́ ká máa lo brain yo. Especially you have children before. You now want to go and enter ilé olórogún. You now think the man will forget his other children or the mother of his other children. As long as they are not married to another man, òun yóò ní wọn lé, òun ló ní wọn. Wọ́n á yìí máa bára wọn sùn àfi tán bá ríra wọn. Wọ́n á yìí máa bára wọn sùn. Once débẹ̀, always débẹ̀. Law of Okafoni. You are now dragging with Fetia. You are dragging with Fetia. You are dragging with Fetia. Fetia tí Anjola bread. Tí wọ́n ṣe Anjola bread fún. You don't know, say for Wasiu, once love Fetia, ó gbé ayé ẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́. And that was, how many wives ni Wasiu ti fi sílẹ̀ tó embrace padà? How many wives? How many wives has Kwamwon left and take back into his house? None, except Fetia. Except Fetia. Ló embrace padà. So that shows that he has soft spots fún Fetia. Ó wá ń bá Fetia drag, ó wá sokoro ojú. Ìyàwó yàtọ̀ sí ìyá ọmọ o. Ìyàwó ó yàtọ̀ sí ìyá ọmọ. And you know why? Fetia's children are the youngest for Wasiu. The other children are old. They are having their own families. Women, enlightening. The other children are old. They are having their own families already. Fetia's children are still young. Wasiu wants them close. He wants them nearby. He wants to be seeing them regularly. Kò lè fọ̀rọ̀ Fatia ṣeré. Kò lè fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣeré. That video you are referencing to, that video was asked to be pulled down. Fetia tried to deny it, pé ẹni yóò ṣe boyfriend òun. Tí wà tó wáyé pé lọ fọ́kọ mi ni was, or probably Wasiu sọ pé bóyá ó ti ń bóbìnrin lọ, ọkùnrin mi lọ, ó wá embrace ẹ̀ padà. Fetia is cheating, she's still the same person. She's still the same person. Emanuela, you better don't deceive yourself. Remember, Fetia is still the legal wife. The only legal wife. As far as Nigerian constitution is concerned. She has to take charge. Abe drag here. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó lọ báyìí o, àgbàdúrà kú fún. But that competition you are trying to do, me o, both of you don't need it. Ati Awon ni o, Ati Fetia ni o, you don't need the nonsense competition, right? On LD competition, tẹ́jọ́ ṣe yẹn. Ká má ìwà sọ ìwọ. Ìwọ. You are now dragging with somebody tí Wasiu refuse to let go. Tó bímọ fún 3 girls, beautiful girls. Tí Wasiu love bàjẹ́. Ta dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé love àwọn ọmọ yẹn bàjẹ́. Ibi ọkùnrin, Fetia, àbí kí ló ń jẹ́ Ella. There is this Yoruba adage that says, ẹni tí ọmọ ẹ̀ bá múyàn ni yẹ́ ẹ̀ múyàn. Ṣé mo gbà? Àbí ẹni tá bá fẹ́ yẹ la fẹ́ràn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ẹni tá bá fẹ́ràn ọmọ ẹ̀, àbí ẹni tá bá fẹ́ràn ọmọ ẹ̀ la fẹ́ yẹ. Did I get that proverb? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé mo gba proverb yẹn? Ìyàwó tá bá fẹ́ lọ́mọ ẹ̀ múyàn. Yes. A woman that a man loves the children. Some people will say not in all cases. Yes, I agree. But in this case, so that is what is playing out. Fetia is going nowhere. Ella, Fetia has come to stay. Wo, ìròyìn adùn wo. Àwa máa wò yín ni a máa analyze. A máa wò yín, a máa analyze. But ìwọ làánú mi ṣe jù nínú situation yìí. Manuela, there are some situations you don't need it to save her from. What is Wasiu giving you? Oko? Oko àtẹ̀fọ́rí. Rẹ̀mí how are you jèrè? My darling àbúrò. Wasiu is giving you oko and ẹ̀fọ́rí. Because that's the only thing I can see is giving you. O dẹ̀ takú síbẹ̀. O takú síbẹ̀. O lọ. O wá dológun pé kẹ́ máa drag mọ́tò. Ẹ drag mọ́tò. Ẹ drag Wasiu. Táyé bá gbà yín ni ẹ fàya pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ lójú ní ibi tán wà yẹn. Bo ojú ìtìjú ò lè jẹ́ kẹ́ drag aṣọ ẹ̀. Ìrọ́pò I usually call her Ella. Ẹ drag seat mọ́tò. Wọ́n já ẹ sẹ́yìn. In other words, ẹ̀yin la yé ọlọ́mọ ló níwájú. Ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú tó ń tẹ̀rín. Ìwọ dẹ̀ ló wà nínú ilé. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí Manuela ṣùgbọ́n wake your head o. Ojú òní tí wà níṣẹ́ lẹ́yà o. Níṣẹ́ lẹ́yà o. Níṣẹ́ lẹ́yà o. Wọ́n wá gbé ẹ sẹ́yìn ìwọ ló dẹ̀ wà nínú ilé. For them to put you at the back. Tí ìyálé jókòó síwájú is the first wife that will sit in front, second wife will sit at the back. That's how they used to do it in the days of polygamy. Bó ṣe wà nìyẹn. Tó fi wá dológun pé wọ́n máa ń ká chief wọ́n lọ fi nù lójú. Dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. O ní ìdí gbogbo competition tó lọ gbé ẹ sí yẹn. Ọlọ́run á ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ o. O ní ìdí àtọ̀. Well, of course, grandma yín ló kú, gbogbo yín lẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wà níbẹ̀. But drama tẹ́ ṣe yẹn ó wà embarrassing díẹ̀. All right, guys. Ẹ jẹ́ máa lọ. The Oko is no longer like before. K1 done the hold with some operation done as them talk. Yeah, he did some operation, yeah. You are right. They are there for the fame. They are there for the fame. They are there for the fame. Fame no one bear fun. Somebody said it's not all about doom and gloom with polygamy. Yes, I agree. It's not all about doom and gloom. Number one, the women there will be able to have children. And they have the man to take care of their bills. Those are some of the advantage of being in a polygamy home. The man is there to take care of your bills. Is there to take care of your children have father. It's not as if you don't have and you have a man over your head. Okowa, is Okowa is there. So it is not all bad. There are some advantages to it too. Okay. But the person that enjoys it during early stage is the man. The person that will enjoy it in late stage is the woman. I hope you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Kilode, what did Ropo do for you? Somebody said Ropo might not go touch ground. What did Ropo do? Daddy wa, Okowa. It has become Okowa. It's Okowa. So guys, marrying you. Okay, somebody text me. Ella is doing all this because of their senior wife. Iyale gbogbo which is Shadi Alesh. Shadi Alesh báwo? Kí ló kan Shadi Alesh pẹ̀lú Wasiu? Ẹ já mi sí o. Ṣé ká pè yín kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀? Aproko. When I'm free, you will narrate the story. You know them very well. Èèyàn kan já on ṣèké fún mi Aproko inside my WhatsApp. Àti ẹ mi sí ni. Daddy wa olóko drum. Èmi ò mọ̀. Make I never go. I want to go to the store before they close. Go to a late dear. I should not go yet. Abe magbo. Facebook say don't go yet. YouTube say don't go yet. Ẹ fẹ́ pa mí ni. Aunty tó ṣe Aproko fún mi ṣé kí n pè yín. Kí ló kan Alesh nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Shadi Alesh ke. Ẹ gbà mí. Waiting concern Shadi Alesh inside the matter. She said I should call her later. I will call my daddy's Aproko sister later. She said there is some gist she want to give me. But if you give me gist that cannot be verified, me, I will not come and talk. You will go to the store for me. I should send money and give you list. So, in polygamy, for early stage, the man enjoys better. Hello, somebody. You glue here. In old age, the women enjoy better. She said, please don't call me on your show. I will talk to you later. Don't call me on the show. I'm not calling you. I'm just joking. Shade used to be Wasiu's girlfriend. She when she was with Alesh, really one Alesh lawyer. This drama go long, yo. I know she used to be real one unless she know his wife. Igba wo lo di girlfriend Wasiu. You are coming from Trump inauguration because Baba Kumuyi is there. Shuke ma tonra yin, which Baba Kumuyi? Please, ma, don't call me, I beg you. I will talk to you later. No wahala, I'll sọ̀rọ̀ later. My God is later. I don't believe Shadi Alesh, but I can't say. But all I know is that Shadi Alesh used to be real one, Alesh lawyer's wife. I know there was a time they broke apart, then they came together again. I don't know when he now became his girlfriend, when she became his girlfriend. So I don't know about that. For real, I don't. Even though I know most of these celebrity people, at least to some extent, I know one of them that used to give me updates on them. I've never heard of this. This is the first time I'm hearing about it. And I know they used to be close to Wasiu. I know they used to be close. Somebody said, I wonder what energy these men have to keep up with multiple women. If a man will have a wife in the house and can have multiple girlfriends outside, it's almost the same thing. It's almost the same thing. One cool competition, but one thing I know is polygamy is not a joke. We can see how people are fighting on social media, and polygamist apologies too. Almost every day venting. Àlàáfíà Tayo. Thank you, Bombay. I will stop now. Àlàáfíà Tayo. Honestly, I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. Compete. Ilé orogún. Mo yọ̀ǹda. Kani. No, you don't. African store. It's African store I want to go. You know when it's 7 o'clock, they will not cut meat for you again. Their meat section will close. Thank you, Ibrahim. You said thank you for brightening their days. Anyway, how about the actress who has a child for him? Bisola lóyún fún ni, kò fẹ́ Bisola. He didn't marry Bisola. Bisola lóyún fún ni. Bisola lóyún fún ni, kò fẹ́ Bisola. And I'm not sure he's even relating with the lady. Anybody who follow ni tẹ́lẹ̀ should expect anything. Or it's just like any woman that goes to marry a man that is already married. Honestly, if you are not ready for it, don't just go into it. It's not easy. You go to marry a man. You imagine us women, the way we even relate, the way we feel, ordinary girlfriend alone. So if the man should marry another wife, of course, you come to reality that you are now to adjust and all that. Like I always tell women, if you find yourself that your children are still young, I'm not saying leave at any time. Adjust. That's all you need to do. It's not easy, but honestly, it is better than being single. I will tell you that. It is better than being single. Except you are really getting to a certain age in life and you will say, no, I don't think I need this headache. And that's why you find that most women, it is when they get older, they leave the men. And they will be like, they don't want to continue. If you see any woman who stays put, like Okoyo's wife, first wife, the woman is staying put because of her husband's, her children's inheritance. The women that will stay put with a man are women who knows that the man is fully loaded and there's something to gain in case the man should go. That is why you will see any woman stay. Take it or leave it. You can fight the truth, but that is just the truth. And that is why you find the kind of Iyawo Koya, the first wife, she has not gone. She's there, despite everything. At a point, a lot of people were even asking questions. Is she still in man's life? She's still very much in the background. She's just respecting herself. Because she knows that if she leaves, her children's inheritance will finish. They will not be able to. They might not be able to. Ìyá yìí ò fẹ́ kán gbé nǹkan gbẹ̀yìn òun tó bá lọ. And Shade should take control of everything. Ìjà yẹn á pọ̀. So the woman stay jẹ́jẹ́. Ibi tán bá ní kó jókòó sí ló ń jókòó sí. During his birthday, we saw her. She was not happy. Ìgbà tán ní kó wá gate cake náà, ẹni tó ṣojú bá kan pé mo ti gba kádàrá. That is it. Despite how old the man is. Ó ti gba kádàrá. She has to stay there so she can take her inheritance, her children's inheritance. because she was there with the man. She started with the man from nothing. It would be foolish of her to go. It would be stupid of her to go. So I commend her. In fact, I give her kudos for staying true. And I can imagine what she will have seen. Maybe so you go and spend some time with her children, come back again. Baba wa she wa o. Baba shara yin wa okay o. She wa okay o. Of course, somebody is in charge already. Our own is just to say, báwo de ni baba wa? Shara yin wa okay. She ti jẹun. She kini kan. She kile ni kin ba yin ṣe. Kile fẹ́ kin ba yin ṣe. Oh, you respect yare. Because if she doesn't expect herself, that's a lie. I followed that story. That's a lie. She didn't come with the consent of the wife. It was Okoya's sister that brought Shade for them. That's a lie. She has no choice. Saying a woman accepted with her consent, she had no choice. When a woman doesn't have choice, she's respecting herself. She has no choice. Not with her consent. She has no choice. She's not olden days women and village women. No, she wasn't that kind of woman. She was one of the happening women of those days. I followed that story that time. Choice in it. There are situations you don't have any choice. And Akoya's story is a case you don't have any choice. Do you know that man's estate? You know how much that man has. You know how much that man is worth. If it is for that, let us stay there. Like Regina Daniels to Abigail Oruko girl, yeah? I will never bear. I'm not saying you are telling lies. Maybe the story, what you were told. Do you know them one-on-one? Because I was following that story that time. It was coming out seriously on City People. Do you know them one-on-one? Like Regina Daniels now, I will not blame her for staying there. I won't blame her for staying where she is. Even though Bojo mo kekere, emi o le seru e fomo temi o, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́. I will not ask my young children to go and marry egbe babe torí owó mutaka ìdànù. Me, I will never do that. But she has already found herself there. She has given birth to the man. She has given birth for the man. You now want her to leave. To go where? To go and marry who? To go and do what outside? So such people, let them stay there. Let them do what? Stay there. You know the people where they pity for. Now people will go say, we go marry. We go marry man, we no get shishi. No tata, no nyanya. He can't marry, he marry 2 wives, he marry 3 wives. All of them can't begin born. Now those ones are the pity for. Now those ones are the look say, now no okay. You marry man, where we say, to give you food money in a fight. In head, you know correct, you go carry another woman. You as the first wife, oh, lote pa mo share. Oh, you feel okowa, you are only deceiving yourself. At that stage, if you are the second wife, the same thing. Third wife, go and the only thing that the man is for you is oko. Outside that pono is nothing. He can't even pay bills. Or he's paying bills. You are still have to pay bills. I'll see you guys. We go to see as the thing they unfold. Titi Layokayode, she accepted because she has no choice. That is it. These people, they say to women, yes, now, she will beg him. So if you say she accepted, she was coerced to accept. Probably they gave her some estates and say, Mama, egba estate yi. Eje kin fe yawo yi ko toju mi. But a man that does not have that time and yonyo, he can't say, I want to marry another wife. You will now be happy. Women know they're happy where there's no money. A lot of women know they're happy when you don't have enough. Don't deceive yourself. Men, don't let them deceive you. A lot of men are not happy when you don't have enough to take care. If they have to still be contributing and you have another wife, they are not happy with you. They are not happy with you. By style. Number one, they will not see you on time for kerewa. Now, when it is their turn, they will see you. Such women will look for alternative, and you will not know. Portable ńkọ́. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹlẹ́yẹ ń tọ̀. The Portable you are talking about. League wo ni tó Portable fẹ́? We saw the people Portable marry now. Those are people Portable is higher than. Ṣé bóun ló ń fún wọn lówó? Okay, why did this guy want to go back to Portable? Dami. Kí ni Dami gbàgbé sílé Portable tó fẹ́ padà lọ? The way Portable embarrassed her, if not for money. Owó ni now. Owó ló fẹ́ mú padà lọ síbẹ̀. Kì í ṣe nǹkan míì. If many of them have choice, they will look for another alternative. And that is why some of them, tó bá dé stage kan, they end up leaving the man. Especially if the man has finished taking care of their children. Tó rí pé kò sí bùkátà fáwọn ọmọ. Except the man has a lot of money. That is when they will not go. But if the man does not have money, he's hustling $16 per hour. Okay, getting about 300,000 for salary or 200,000 for salary. Ó wá kóyàwó jọ, ó lọ níyàwó méjì or mẹ́ta. Á wá ní pé òun kóyàwó. After that man don't spend all his life to take care of children, finish. Where the woman go stay, he don't take care of those children, finish. When they see say those children don't dey okay, now that time they go begin find fault with the man. And as at that time, that man cannot do much anymore. As at that time, even financially, that man's financial power has gone down. Because for everybody, it will get to a stage, your financial means will reduce. So as at that time, once they see the man cannot do much and their children are okay, that is when some women will remember to start telling their children story. Ọjọ́ kan báyìí, your papa, I'm not happy in this house. Oh, I can't continue to stay in this house. Your father is ṣeboni ìyàwó kékeré. Let him go and stay with the ìyàwó kékeré. And before you know it, thank you, area girl. Before you know it, the woman, the children's mother, daddy, mommy, you know àwọn òdùn. A fẹ́ gbalé fún wọn. And they will go and collect house for the woman. As at that time, the woman herself no need porno again. It no even concern, porno no even concern her. All she wants to do is to live long, in peace, and enjoy the fruit of her labor over her children. That is what she's concerned about at that time. She's no more interested in kerewa anymore. Because it will get to a stage, a woman will not bother about kerewa. All she will be bothered about is doing normal go. Ọmọ mi tún ti bímọ, that joy will supersede kerewa. That joy will supersede a man that ìjọ ní issue tẹ́lẹ̀ tó manage. Except you are the only one. Kò sí obìnrin tó fẹ́ pé méjì, ẹ yé tanra yín. Don't let any woman deceive you. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Mi ní kẹ́ má ní kóyàwó púpọ̀ o, but don't let any woman deceive you pé káwọn pé kò ṣe kankan. It's a lie. They wait for payback time. They wait for the time they will start remembering. There was a time I asked him, he doesn't want to come. Ìyàwó yẹn ló lọ jókòó tì. That is when they remember a lot of things. Ta ló sọ pé Okoya still, which Okoya is FK? That baba that you look, that Okoya that you are seeing, look like somebody that can still do kerewa. That Okoya that you are seeing, that Okoya that cannot even stand well anymore. That Okoya that you have to hold his hand when he's walking. Ìyẹn ṣe kerewa. Àfi tí Ṣadé gan bá fẹ́ gbókùú àgbàlagbà. Ṣadé self will not allow her. You will not allow that baba to do kerewa anymore. Láíláí, látọdún wo. Láti ọdún wo. Bàbá yẹn ju ẹni tó lè ṣe nǹkan kan mọ́. Ẹ wo. Adediti, how are you, my sister? Why would you malo? I'll see you guys later. See you tomorrow. Any wonderful evening. So snow ma wa mi ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́la. So I'll do 2 shows tomorrow. Ẹ má deceive ara yín. Just reason. Look, the world is revolving. In those days, when our parents were marrying many wives, remember, most of these women are not that educated. Remember, most of these women, they were even given to the man free of charge from one family. Marry our Taloni will be fingering. So Valerie said, Baba will be fingering. Baba to want him bon. Valerie, Sheve ka fajani. Baba when hand don't shake, he go finger. You people are not nice. How can you say that Baba can still finger? That Okoya where you see, he resemble person where could still finger. Shade go ni gbare ele kon finger o. Where as Baba day, Baba is to eat, take his medication. Baba aṣọ yín lélẹ́yìí. In fact, his clothes, they have to tell him how to wear the clothes as he is. Haven't you seen Baba outside where they are helping him to clean his mouth? See Baba mo pe ton jabo. Nǹkan ton pè lágbà nìyẹn gbogbo wa la máa dàgbà la máa dògbò. Laarin Wasiu kí ni mo ṣe? Mo ń dáhùn. What did I do? Gbogbo wa la máa dàgbà la máa dògbò. Baba ti wà ní stage tó jẹ́ wípé kó jẹun kó sùn lókun. It's a stage in life. All Baba needs to do is to eat and sleep. When Baba wake up, Baba ẹ wá lọ wẹ̀. Baba man say he doesn't want to bathe for 2-3 days. Kò sí nǹkan anybody máa ṣe. He might decide he doesn't want to brush his teeth. Ṣé irú bàbá yẹn ló máa wá? Ló máa wá finger. Package ló bá dé. Ẹ má yẹ káwọn ọkùnrin bínú sí wa, ẹ̀yin obìnrin tí ń wá wàhálà o. Do you know Àjọkẹ́ Ọkọya? Which one? Èmi ò rántí orúkọ gbogbo wọn. How can you say Baba can finger somebody? Baba can never finger. Baba cannot do anything anymore. Baba na to eat. Even his feed. Ẹ má jẹ àgbàlagbà ọ̀rọ̀ àgbàlagbà là ń sá wa náà fẹ́ dàgbà fẹ́ dògbò. Wọ́n á máa wọṣọ fún bàbá ní bó ṣe wà yẹn. Diaper gan lè wà níbẹ̀ bó ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ adult diaper. Ó lè ti wọlé. But Ṣadé is doing a great job. Adult diaper gan máa wà níbẹ̀. Is he dey do wetin? He dey handle plate. Which plate?
My name is Aunty Adunni. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
Olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wali Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv, driving you around the world.